I'm heading towards KTM Service Center in Banerghatta. It's nearby to my place, to see the status of my KTM Duke 790. It's been lying there for a month now. Finally they got the bearings. If you have watched my previous video, you know the rear wheel bearings got broken. I don't know how. Even the technicians, they don't know how. It took around 1 month for them to get that spare part shipment from Austria. Finally they got it yesterday, and they have installed it to my bike. They just called me, sir, can you come down to the showroom and check if everything is okay? You ride it once and let us know. Tomorrow they are going to give the delivery. They are going to wash this bike tomorrow. So before that they just asked me to come down because this is very close to my place, and I thought of coming over here to see my bike. Where is the manager? The technicians are, hey, hi, Yelidra Jacob, KTM. Oh, my bike is over here. I didn't notice. Oh man, after 30 days. Let me see how my bike is going to perform. Illide grip inno ee centernal grips ella ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ 2-3,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಹೊಸದು. 4,500 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓಡಿರೋದು. ಹಲೋ ಆಸ್ಲಿ, ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಆರಾಮ? ಓಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ಸೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವೇಟ್. Okay. Let me take this outside. Oh. Let me put this on sports mode. Brakes, man, brakes literally sucks. Bike has to warm up a bit before I open the throttle. Man, after 1 month I laid my hands on this bike. It's been a long wait for me. You know what, you invest a lot on the bike, and if this happens, you can't see your bike idle somewhere parked in a warehouse, right? You don't get sound sleep looking at the condition of your bike. So just take good care of your CKD bikes, especially the CKD bikes. If something goes wrong, you'll have to wait. Rear brakes are so weak. What is wrong with rear brakes? I use rear brake only in city traffic and in gravel roads. Front brakes are fine. What's wrong with rear brakes? Lot of traffic, man. Sound is fine, everything is fine. The bearings was the issue in this bike. I see lag in the pickup. Why? Maybe bike has to warm up a bit, I think. Okay, I didn't get my gloves. Okay. Let me take U-turn. First gear. It's okay, man. First gear. All in all, the bike is okay. See, this is what happens in city traffic when you're riding 790. You get stuck in city traffic and you can't upshift to third or fourth gear. You get stuck in first two gears, max to max third gear. First gear in this bike goes till 80 plus km/h. Second gear goes till 119 to 120 km/h. and that is the gear ratio in this bike. This is not like the inline 4 cylinder bikes. It can be ridden in lower revs. It doesn't ask you to upshift. Things are completely different, especially in this twin cylinder 790 bike. You will have to keep downshifting, upshifting, downshifting, upshifting. If you're doing it continuously in this crowded place like in city traffic, engine will get heated up soon, and this temperature bar will go up. Then it will ask to shut down the bike for some time so that bike gets cooled down. If it is summer, it's gonna fry your leg in city traffic. KTM bikes are like that only because the performance of this bike in the lower revs is on a whole different level. So that is how they have designed this bike. You will have to just keep shifting it from gear to gear. You can't just ride it in the same gear for a longer period of time. It's gonna burn your leg. So that's about it. Let me check the rear brake. Okay, almost 50% life is gone in the rear brake, as you can see over here. This is the rear brake. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತುಂಬ ವೀಕ್ ಇದೆ. ರೇರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ, ರೇರ್ ಫುಲ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಅದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಗೇರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 5 mm ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನು 10 mm 5 mm. ಓಕೆ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ 790 ಗ್ರೂಪು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟು 40 790 ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ಲಾಗಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು MM ಇದೆಷ್ಟು MM ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ. ಅವ್ರು ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೀಪಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಡೀಪಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೇರಿಂಗ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಪ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಹೋದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನಂದು 1 ಮಂತ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ.
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಪೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿದಾ? ಇದು ಬ್ರೋಕನ್. ಇದು ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಬಾಯ್ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಬಾಯ್.